Experience versus qualifications. When it comes to becoming an estimator or a vehicle damage assessor, there's always that big question, what's more important, experience or qualifications? Now, qualifications like IMI, NVQ, or ATA are great. They show you've met recognized industry standards. In fact, in most insurance-approved body shops, at least one estimator must hold one of those qualifications. That person's certification usually lasts for 3 years, and they also have to renew their Audatex competency every year. Why? Because during a BSI audit, which happens roughly every 6 months, every single job card or repair estimate has to be signed off by a qualified estimator, someone who holds those up-to-date credentials. So yes, the qualifications are important for compliance, but here's the truth. What most body shops really value is experience. Experience is what teaches you how to read damage properly, how to interpret repair methods, and when it's smarter to repair a panel rather than renew it. It's what helps you write a strong, justified estimate that covers all the necessary work without missing anything. Because when you submit an estimate to an insurance engineer, they're not on your side. Their job is to save money. Your job as the estimator is to make money for the body shop and do it honestly and professionally. That skill only comes with experience. Now, that's not to say qualifications aren't useful. They absolutely help you get your foot in the door. Most employers will want to see some formal training before giving you a chance to prove yourself. But once you're in, it's your hands-on knowledge and confidence that make you a great estimator. So in short, qualifications open the door, but experience keeps you in the room.